Welcome aboard the quiz boat. Get ready for an exciting quiz. Which invention helped us see distant stars? Telescope, microscope, sextant, compass. The answer is telescope. Correct. Galileo improved the telescope in 1609, opening the door to exploring the stars. Here is your question: which invention made it possible to explore the ocean's depths? Submarine, diving bell, aquascope, scuba. What do you think is the answer? Write your answer in the comments below. Here's something fascinating. The pendulum clock by Huygens was accurate to within 10 seconds per day. Amazing for its time. Amazing, isn't it? Who invented the barometer to measure air pressure? Galileo, Torricelli, Newton, Hooke. The answer is Torricelli. You're right. Evangelista Torricelli invented the barometer in 1643 to study air pressure. What was the purpose of the steam pump invented in 1698? Power ships, drain mines, irrigation, run factories. The answer is drain mines. Great! Thomas Savery's steam pump was created to drain water from flooded mines. Which invention allowed us to see tiny organisms? Telescope, microscope, camera, lens. The answer is microscope. Awesome! The microscope, improved by Robert Hooke in 1665, helped us see the microscopic world. Here's something fascinating. Robert Boyle's experiments led to Boyle's law, a cornerstone of modern physics and chemistry. Amazing, isn't it? Which scientist is known for inventing the pendulum clock? Newton, Galileo, Huygens, Hooke. The answer is Huygens. Yes! Christian Huygens invented the pendulum clock in 1656, making timekeeping more precise. What was the primary use of the 17th century submarine? Mining, exploration, military, fishing. The answer is military. Correct. Cornelis Drebbel's submarine in 1620 was used for military experiments. Which invention helped sailors navigate more accurately? Sextant, astrolabe, compass, octant. The answer is sextant. Nice work. The sextant was a crucial tool for navigation in the 17th century. Here's something fascinating. The telescope allowed Galileo to discover the moons of Jupiter in 1610. Amazing, isn't it? Which invention improved the printing process? Typewriter. Printing press. Copperplate. Lithography. The answer is copperplate. Great! Copperplate engraving allowed for more detailed printing in the 17th century. Who invented the calculating machine in 1642? Newton. Pascal. Leibniz. Descartes. The answer is Pascal. Correct. Blaise Pascal created an early mechanical calculator called the Pascaline. Which invention laid the foundation for modern chemistry? Periodic table. Air pump. Thermometer. Barometer. The answer is air pump. You're right. Robert Boyle used the air pump to explore gases, a key moment in chemistry. Here's something fascinating. Cornelis Drebbel's submarine could stay underwater for hours, an incredible feat in the 1600s. Amazing, isn't it? What was the first use of the magic lantern? Movies. Theater. Education. Experiments. The answer is theater. Yes. The magic lantern, an early projector, was first used for theater performances. What was used to measure temperature in the 17th century? Thermostat. Thermometer. Barometer. Hygrometer. The answer is thermometer. Correct. Galileo and others developed the thermometer to measure temperature changes. Which material was first used in 17th century eyeglasses? Plastic. Glass. Metal. Quartz. The answer is quartz. Right. Quartz lenses were used for eyeglasses due to their clarity and durability. What was the first synthetic dye invented in the 17th century? Indigo. Mauve. Blue. Red. The answer is indigo. Great job. Indigo dye was synthetically produced in the 17th century for textiles. Who first described cells using a microscope? Hooke. Newton. Leeuwenhoek. Galileo. The answer is Hooke. Awesome! Robert Hooke described cells in his 1665 book, Micrographia. How did you do? Let us know in the comments how many you got right. Ready for more challenges? Like and subscribe to QuizBoat for more fun quizzes. Thanks for watching.